Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing the confirm pop-up in the Power Apps. This is a new function that Microsoft just released in Feb 2026 and we are seeing this feature. So let first I showcase you the demo, how it will work. So let's I go to the play mode. Okay. If I want to save this record, if I click on the save, so here you can see I getting one confirm pop-up message. If I click on the confirm, the changes will save. You can see the changes are saving. And we also get the notification changes are saved. And if I click on the cancel, the changes will not save. So previously pop-up that we create by using containers, buttons that now can be reduced and simply we can use this confirm message, okay, to populate that pop-up. So let's I click on the delete as well. So here you can see the delete confirmation is showcased. So to use this feature, okay, we have some prerequisites. So let's I showcase you those prerequisites first. So first, if you want to use this feature, so you should use, okay, if I click on the edit, greater than this version, okay, 3.26042.12. So you should use this and I'm using the same one. Higher or greater than this version you need. Let's I close this and let's I showcase you some of the important things of this one, okay. The syntax of this function is confirm, then we have to give the message and this then we have the optional record. So let's we go to the power apps and see how I write this code here. Okay, so let's say increase the size of our formula. So you can see confirms gives us the true or false value as the output. So if I click on this yes button, okay, so it will give us the true value, and if I click on the cancel, in that case we get a false value. So if I go and click on here yes option, okay. So if I click on this confirm one, so true value we are getting. If I getting cancel, so we are getting false value. And then on the by using if condition we are submitting this form. After submitting we are resetting this as well and notifying the user. And if we are doing the cancel, in that case we are doing nothing. So same thing we have done for the delete as well, okay. Here what I have done, so I use the confirm here, write a message here, are you sure you want to delete this record. So message is an required field for the confirm pop-up. Then the title, delete confirmation, subtitle, this action can't be undo, okay. And the confirm button, the name I just given the delete, and the cancel one I just given the cancel. So this is the same object you have to use, okay. If you want to change the title, use the same one, subtitle same, confirm and the cancel also same. So if I click on the delete pop-up, so here it will look like this. Delete confirmation, this action can't be undo. Are you sure you want to delete this record? So in this way it will work. So second point came this confirm dialog box having some of the limitations, okay. So you cannot use the three buttons. It is only for the yes and no fields. So you cannot use more than three buttons. Second one, if you go and check in our blocks, okay, I just written here as well. You cannot hide the cancel button, okay. You cannot hide the third button, and also the confirm blocks other operations, okay. Let's I go and showcase you. So if I want to do some operation on this screen, I cannot do. It is only gives the two option. If I do the cancel, then only I can do the other activities. It returns always true or false that I already mentioned to you. Okay. So these are some of the limitations you have. Okay. In interviews, mostly this question might be asked. So please take care of this. Now, so here I just given some of the templates for you. Go through templates. Okay. If you are using this, okay, so you can simply copy paste and use this. Okay. If you want to use this for the delete, copy and use in your application for the delete purpose. If I want to use before the saving, so you can use this option, okay. And if I want to perform some store operation, so you can use this syntax. So you can use this syntax and perform the operations, friends. That's all about, friends, about the confirm pop function in the power app. If you have any questions, any doubt in this function, please let me know in the comment box. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day to you.